of Hor today because we will search for the venue of my birthday. Okay? So, daanan ko guys sila Ate Jackie para sabay kaming pumunta doon maghanap ng venue. So, see you again guys! Accommodation nila Ate Jackie. Dadaan mo na kami dyan kasi sasamahan po nila ako maghanap. So yan oh, ang ganda guys. Okay.
Off Campina.
Yeah. So it's very nice actually. It's a new building. New open flats, apartments, yeah. For the Ministry of Health. So very nice. 4 towers, yeah. So actually, maano pala to guys, malawak kasi. Ang dami-daming mga flats. Maganda actually. Okay. Ikot na kami. Yan. Magkakasama na actually kami guys nila Ate Jackie dito at papunta na kami sa aming destination sa paghanap ng venue ng aking birthday. So, actually itong part na to tapos na kaming maghanap at pupunta na kami sa McDo para magbili ng aming breakfast. And then, after here, babalik kami ulit doon sa kanilang accommodation kasi pupuntahan ko yung accommodation nila. Titingnan. We're here. So, ito na yung part ng kanilang accommodation.
So, yeah.
Yeah, kasi expensive na ang inyong mga flat.
We are rich now.
Very nice.
We are now in the rich neighborhood.
Yeah,
Rich
exclusive.
in
Exclusive villa, te.
Yeah, this is exclusive villa. Like in the Philippines, there is a place for the rich and the poor.
Parang Bel Air na siya, charot.
So, kana lang.
Ah, diba?
Yeah,
which
bibiyahe nga lang kami lagi. Pero 20 minutes. Minsan 15 minutes.
Okay lang.
Yung driver namin nakuha niyan kahapon ata yun 15 minutes yung papunta.
So guys, I'm here door. Okay lang. Oh, diba? Nasa alang floor tayo ito? Third floor. O, diba social? Ganda na kanilang floor.
Siya lang kaming bahay.
Yeah.
We are in Obhor City.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Go.
Yeah,
Tingnan na. Ay, to the right.
Yeah, just push.
Push. Where?
Ako na magbukas.
Siyempre, oh, sila yun. There is the, wow, this is their house. Ang ganda ng painting na. Wow, the flowers.
Yeah.
Hi! Oh my God, ang painting. Oh, tingnan mo, mayroon silang ano. Wow, may laundry. Ganda ng kanilang ano, balcony. Oh. 'Di ba bongga, may Obhor City Plaza pa sila. So nice. This is all for today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel, Pink Mom RN. And don't forget to press your notification bell so you'll be notified if I have new videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye. God bless everyone. See you in my next vlog.